Welcome back, friends. We are working over this index.php page of freelancing website at localhost. So I come back to my core editor. So this is the anchor tag which was made at the end of previous video for showing the mobile phone device icon. So now I press enter and I make one div under it. Div start and div close. And I assign it a class collapse space neighbor dash collapse. Now I create that ID which was targeted above. I show you neighbor nav. Friend, this ID which has been targeted through this data dash target attribute, button attribute. Now I have created this ID, this hash ID sign I have created here. Now I comment this div starts and ends. Now I make a HR tag for drawing a line and I make a form start and form close. And I assign a class to this form tag, form dash inline space mr dash auto. Method post. So now I copy this class. This form will be shown in inline format, inline shape, and mr auto mean it is margin right auto. Margin right, it is margin right will be auto. So now I have commented it and paste it at the closing form tag ends. Now I make a div inside this form tag, div start and div close. Assign it a class input dash group. Input dash group starts and ends. Now I make an input tag inside this because I have assigned it a class input dash group. The input tags will be shown in the group format. Each type will be text inside this form, and I assign it a class form dash control. Default class of Bootstrap are required for validating the form. Placeholder for showing the text over the input field. Search proposals. Now I assign it a name for calling it in PHP later on. Its name is search underscore query, search query. And I make a span tag. And I assign it a class input dash group dash btn because this button will be shown inside this span, through this span, sorry. Now I comment it ends. Now I make a button tag inside this span. button start and close, and I assign it a class btn space btn dash primary. Blue color button will be shown because primary shows the color blue, success shows the green. And I assign it a name search. This name will be used in PHP. Type submit, its type will be submit. Now I make the I tag for showing the icon by assigning it a class fa space fa dash search box icon. Now I press Ctrl S to save, and I go to my browser and I refresh this page. So friend, now you can see that this input field is showing and search proposals text is also showing because I have written this inside the placeholders, and this icon, search box icon, is also showing. If I decrease it is sign, so if I click over here, so now you can see that this search box is showing here. So friend, it has been created. It is the toggle collapsible successfully. So this is the text search proposal which is inside the placeholder. Now I begin my next work. I come under the right closing form tag and I make the HR for drawing a line, and I make the UL tag, UL start, unordered list start and an ordered list close, and I assign it a class navbar dash nav. Now I comment it. Starts. Ends. Now you make the li inside this UL, mean list items, li means, and I assign it a class nav dash item space active. Mean first link will be the active. This first link will remain the active. Ahref is equal to http column double backslash localhost freelance index.php, and I assign it a class nav dash link, and I write home. Now I come under this li and I make one more li, and I assign it a class nav dash item, and I did not assign it the class active. This one is just active and it will not be active. When anybody will click over it, then it will be active. And I make one more anchor tag inside this and assign it a class nav dash link. Friend, the same class, this same class has been assigned to this anchor too. You can see, because here I will write the link, just dummy hash sign. I have not written any link inside it. Data dash toggle is equal to toggle cards model data dash target, and I have targeted this ID which will be made later on, register dash model. Friends, I would like to explain you this data dash toggle model. If I take you to my browser and I take you to the demo theme and I click over become a seller, so you can see that this model, this box is showing here, and if I now I close it, and these two links are also showing here, you can see that this is the hash ID link at the bottom. You can watch. Now you can see at the bottom the link is showing here. So if I come here and I refresh this page, this home is showing the same like this home. Now I will also show you this box model. First I complete this one, and here I write become a seller. There is a mistake in become spelling, sorry. Now I copy this complete li and I press enter and I paste it here one time and two times. Now I shall make some amendments. First I change this ID. It will be the login. First data target ID is register dash model. Second one is login dash model. And I change the text also. Sign in. There is a mistake in sign in also. Sign up. Now I go to my browser and I refresh this page. So friend, now you can see they add all these three links, and our first home link is active because I have given a class active to it. I show you this is the home and this link class is active. These three links are not active. If I click over become a seller, now it is active, and later on that box also will be shown. First I have just assigned it this one only data dash toggle model, but when I will make that box, then it will begin to show. So friend, now I have done my work till this level. I have shown all these three links, same like here. Here they are showing brightly, but when I will stylize them, then they will begin to show brightly. And friend, one mistake is also here, that here there is no button, but if I come here, sign up is a button of primary, BTN primary. So I come back here and I change it to sign it to button. I change it as class. It is the BTN space BTN dash primary BTN dash SM in small size button. So now if I come here and refresh this page, so now you can see that it is the small size button. So friend, this video has been made enough long. I shall come back in next video to